Hi, this is Regitze from Greatness Advertising. Did you know that you can retarget your Instagram followers with Facebook ads? Let me show you how. It's done in the Facebook Meta, in the Facebook Ads Manager. It's all because Instagram is owned by Facebook, so you have to do it from the Facebook Ads Manager, or Meta it's called. So I'm here in my ad account, and you click create to make a new campaign, sales campaign, continue. I'm not going to go through all the other settings, so now we just click continue. Gotta move this, next, and now here we are in the ad set, and you go down to where you choose your audience. Here, audience, and now you can create a new custom audience. Let me move this away again. A custom audience or lookalike audience. But to make a lookalike, you need to make a custom audience first, because a lookalike is people who are similar to people that you made a custom audience of. So that can be similar to your followers, for instance, or similar to people who purchase from you if you have an email list or something like that, or a customer list. But anyway, here we are in the audience section, and here you can choose your Instagram account, and then you click that and click next, and then make sure it's the right Instagram account. I have many, yeah, then you choose here which event it is, people who are following you, or people who engage with you, or people who visited your account profile, or people who engage with one of your ads or posts, or people who saved any ad or post. So I would just do people who are following. Those are the people who are most likely to purchase, people who know, like, and trust you. And then you can actually, if you go up here, and here it's the default is any, you can click all, and then you can narrow it. So if you don't want to target all your Instagram followers, you can narrow it further, and you can actually narrow it by another Instagram account. So I have another one here. So if you for any reason want to target people who are both following you on two different Instagram accounts, then you can do that here. So now you're targeting people who are following both those accounts, but I don't think that will be too useful. So normally you would just choose any, and then just get rid of this, and just target, make sure you have your Instagram account there, and then you can choose people who are following you. Hope it makes sense. If you have any questions, comment below, and don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe, share it with your friends, and click that notification bell if you're on YouTube. Also, if you want us to do all this for you, then we specialize in getting leads and clients for coaches and consultants. You can book a call with me to learn more. There's a link in the description. Also, please join our free Facebook group, Successful Coaches, Consultants, Entrepreneurs. There's a link in the description for that too. Take care. Bye.